Welcome to Math for Healthcare Summer. So this summer our class is going to go from July 5th to July 30th. That's going to go really, really quick. So brace yourselves. My instructor information is here. I'm not going to read through this whole syllabus with you, just hitting some of the high points and stuff. But my office is located in Pocahontas, but I'm typically not in there in the summer. But if you felt like we needed to meet one-on-one at the office or something, that's fine. Just give me some time to schedule that. I do have 3 small kids that I'm going to need to have my husband babysit them for a while or something. So just let me know if I need to be in my office. But office phone number, again, that only goes to the office, so it's not going to do you a whole lot of good to call that office phone number. But the email is going to be very important. Okay, that's going to be the quickest way for you to reach me. I check, the email comes right to my phone, so even if I'm out at swim team practice with the kids or whatever, I can check in and see if anybody needs help. So email is going to be the quickest way to reach me. The course prereqs, course descriptions, you guys really don't care about. We'll go through the rest of this in a different video, but I'm going to fast forward to the end here. I did want to hit some of these dates. The last day to drop the class is going to be July 20th. It's a Thursday. The last day of actual class is going to be July 30th, which is a Sunday. And then I have to turn around and grade everybody's stuff as quick as possible and have grades turned in by, I think it was that following Tuesday. So it should all be mapped out, and I'm going to have a calendar to show you guys later too. But yes. Oh, there was one other thing I wanted to show you. Sorry, I apologize for scanning through all this. The course activities and assignments page, you'll notice that I've got all the chapter work is going to be posted on Mondays at 1 a.m. It will be due on Saturdays at 8 p.m. Okay. The exams are going to be posted on Thursday at 1 a.m. They're going to be due Monday at 8 p.m. Now, the last week is going to be shortened because we do have to fit in a final exam as well. Okay, so keep all that in mind.